see if I can get you to have some fun here. Old Fumblemith strikes again. The catchphrase is, now you're thinking like Dan. Oh, there he is!
Most people don't throw these in a fire. They don't do that.
There goes a responsible young golden boy with a little golden stash. That's how you do it.
To start the season!
Get him. So we've taken a lot of criticism about not shooting ducks and things of that nature, understandably so. But when people have only seen those 2 years from us, they don't know what our track record over the last 25. They just keep coming and coming and coming. What a day. The bad streak has officially been vanquished. Today it's just me and old Fumbles. Hey y'all. And he cannot shoot because he has his pacemaker put in and they just have to make sure it totally heals before there's any concussions. If you watch a lot of our shows over the last 2 years, you have certainly been a part of our struggles. And the first year we had a really poor year. And it was Dan's first year hunting. The second year I told Dan, I was like, it can't get any worse. And it absolutely did. Last year was unbelievably terrible. And so we've taken a lot of criticism about not shooting ducks and things of that nature. And, you know, understandably so. But when people have only seen those 2 years from us, they don't know what our track record over the last 25. So, but those years were absolutely anomalies. I fully anticipate to shoot another limit. Dan couldn't come out today because he actually was asked by a church to speak on addiction because he's an addiction counselor and an amazing addiction counselor at that. And it's just a blessing to have him in my life just for counseling sakes because he's professionally trained and he's amazing. But he's gonna try to rush out here as soon as he's done with that.
I can't tell.
Man, the way that's flapping is he may decide she doesn't like it.
Come on, let's get it! Candy! Get it, girl, get it! Good dog! Good dog!
Well, got the one drake, so we do have less birds. But there's still birds in here. But I think it's going to be a little slower today. But we only got a one-man limit to try to fix, so we'll see. We'll see. I have not Chef Boyardee'd it for a while, and I gotta tell you, honest to God's truth, I am so excited to eat that Chef Boyardee right now.
Brought only one can of soup for himself.
We still have these skewers if we want to cook that up.
And he didn't bring any for me.
What we should probably do is cut the widgeon in little pieces, skewer them, and then dip them in the Chef Boyardee. Should we try dipping duck in there? I'm gonna try it.
There's still plenty of ducks flying around, but they're not decoying into us as well as we'd like, so we're going to try it. We just kind of had a little line of ducks out there. We're going to kind of make a hook.
Look over here on the left, they're boiling and down over here. They just keep coming and coming and coming. I hope Fumbles got that on his camera. I didn't on mine, but the mallards just came pouring in. Not in V formation, just like a river of ducks pouring in. Had to be 3,000 to 5,000 pouring in, and they all landed 100, 200, 300 yards from us. Now the quacking's going nuts. Here comes more. Here's a drake. Well, worn out. 2 lone drakes just came in all by themselves, and I dusted the first one, clipped the second one, had to clean it up on the water. Candy got one, Izzy got one, so I got 4. So I'm 1 away. 1 away from my mallard limit. I still have my bonus deck I can work on. That was great. With no seasoning,
No
so I'm
seasoning.
gonna cook a little piece and dip it in the Chef Boyardee. Number 1, I can feed you duck instead of my ravioli.
No, that'd be good.
That's an important part of this equation because I don't want you getting any of my ravioli. All right, so here's the deal. Duck, ravioli.
Ravioli. Eat it.
Yeah.
Nice.
There's so many things that you can do with Chef Boyardee, ladies and gentlemen. This is my pitch to get them to sponsor.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't want those other guys. I just want to land Chef Boyardee.
Okay.
Chef Boyardee is
You can
the
just flash
sponsor of
the whole.
Freelance Duck.
Yeah, they can have a pretty girl in camo. Beth, yeah.
Careful.
That was a good thing. Good thing that you said that.
Inevitably, you will see pelicans in this hole. That is why we call this place Pelican.
There we go.
Should I sluice it?
But that's not much of a shot.
No. Well, there's my bonus duck. Get a good shot of him. There's a drake mallard just sitting with you. Like I said, I got a couple hours till Dan shows up, and I got 1 duck left. So there's a question about sealing. Well, if you look right here, see that? All right, you want this in Chef Boyardee?
Yeah. Yeah, dunk it.
I don't know. I want to make sure I have it cooked down here. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Little Chef Boyardee. I could have a cooking show, cooking duck with Chef Boyardee. All right, stick this in. You just just
you're
stick it in your mouth.
Oh, you're.
It doesn't matter. Just stick it in your mouth. How is it? I'm telling you, it's pretty good.
Chef Boyardee.
So it would be something like Chef Boyardee.
Was that cooked at all? Did you just dunk it in the chef?
Are we gonna go through this again?
What?
Well, if you remember, this was an issue last year with you guys whining about my duck not being cooked enough.
Yeah, it's possible. Boy, that is really rare.
I mean, mine were fine. I don't mind it really rare, I guess. The cooking moment. Well, you can use Chef Boyardee as a duck glaze. Oh, maybe stuff like that. And all these little wannabes would be running around eating Chef Boyardee, dunking their duck in it, thinking it's the best thing.
That's right.
Be like, you dopes, it's all I had at the time.
Everybody be posted on the net.
Yes! Buddy landed, and he's getting ready to land, and I hit him hard on the call, and it just kept him up, and he came right in. Man, awesome. I just wish I hadn't shot that widgeon now. Gosh darn it, I could have shot 5 mallard drakes and a pintail drake. I guess I shouldn't be.
That's pretty much the grand slam.
I know. Man, I did not see that one coming. Finished my limit on a pintail drake. Oh man. Man, now I wish I hadn't shot that dumb widgeon. You know?
Yeah, I hear you.
But who would have thought? We have hardly seen a pintail out here at all.
That's the first one.
And that was cool though. Did you see how I hit him hard and it there's a name for that. what's that called when they're trying to land and you hit them, and you bump them towards you a little bit. There's a name for that. I can't remember what the name is, but he was just getting ready to set his. In fact, his buddy landed, and he's getting ready to land. And I hit him hard on the call, and it just kept him up, and he came right in. Man, awesome.
Yes.
I just wish I hadn't shot that widgeon now. Gosh darn it, I could have shot 5 mallard drakes and a pintail drake. I guess I shouldn't be complaining. 6 for 7 today. Don't let, oh, and it's got a nice pin. Oh, baby. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. All right, Beast. Oh, she wants some Chef Boyardee too.
Oh no, don't give the dog Chef Boyardee.
Come on, Iz, get it. Yeah.
All right, Izzy.
Now, am I gonna still eat off this stick?
You betcha.
Well, do you think Beth will see if I do it?
No.
If Beth sees me eat off this stick,
Yeah, well,
I have no problem eating off.
she won't kiss you again for a month.
She caught me brushing my teeth a couple times with Nevin's toothbrush.
Yeah.
That didn't go very well. That did not go very well. She was so pissed off at me. I just don't care. Here's the reason why I don't care, okay?
All right, let's hear why.
I don't get sick from any of that stuff.
Why don't you care?
I don't taste the bad. If I brush my teeth with Nevin's toothbrush, it doesn't taste any different.
Yeah.
I don't get sick.
Yeah.
It's just a mental thing.
Yeah.
And it mentally doesn't bother me. But I can tell you, I'm not going to do it again. This happened like 3 months ago, right? This happened like 3 months
She
ago.
still won't kiss you.
Oh, she went after me about it yesterday. She said it was like her kissing Nevin. I know. So I'm not going to dip this and after Izzy ate that.
At least on what I'm taping.
Yeah. I'm not going to. I don't want her to never kiss me. It's to that point with her. If I said, Beth, I'm sorry, sometimes I can't find my toothbrush and I know where Nevin's is, I'm going to use it. I don't think she would kiss me anymore. I don't think she would. I'm serious too. I'm not even joking. Man, I'm slaying you.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
Yeah. She really went after me last night. I said, okay, I will never do it again, I promise. I said, but if you die,
All bets are off.
I said, when you die, I'm gonna do it again. And she said, well, we both know you're dying way before me. I'm almost a decade younger than you.
Yeah.
Well, here's the situation. I'm done with my limit. Old Fumble Trumble can't shoot the gun. And he's handling that pretty well considering all the birds we have here right now.
Yep.
And old Danny boy, hopefully he's going to be here. I'm hoping he gets here by the latest 11. If he says it's going to be 12:30, I'm out of here.
Yeah.
I'm not going to wait like 3 hours or something.
Yeah.
I'll wait an hour and a half.
And I don't know when they're going to start moving again.
Well, I mean, I've been seeing flocks. We're at 7-day limits. What a day.
Black dog is still in her blind, waiting and hoping for more action.